Good morning everyone! So, paborito ni Wesley ang mango float. You want to make a mango float?
Yes, we can make a mango float.
You know how to make it?
Yes, I made
How?
a video on it one time.
What?
Made a video on it one time.
Oh, you have a video one time.
Yes.
Okay. So for now,
Mangoes and cream and graham crackers in a pan. And
paborito mo niya mango float mga manang, so siya mag-imo. You make the mango float, okay?
you want me to make a mango float?
Yeah.
I can make the mango float.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Kompleto na ang atong kuan. So, na may mango. Tadaan! And kompleto na po.
Mango float with mango?
Yeah, mango, one of the
Oh, I
ingredients.
made it that way.
And then, here.
I thought you were talking about a drink.
Ano na. So, graham cracker, cream. Kompleto naman din. Okay, perfect. So, let's see later. Ayan na mga manang. So, done na ang aming mango float. Ayan. So, lagay na natin ito sa fridge. And then, ready na. I think we still have space there. Ayan. Lagay na natin siya dito. Ayan. Ready na!